In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a deal in Zoho CRM. Let's dive into this straightforward process to help you manage your sales effectively and make the most out of Zoho CRM's features. First things first, to get started, you'll want to locate and click on the Deals module. You'll find this conveniently placed in the left menu of your Zoho CRM interface. The Deals module is your gateway to managing and organizing all your sales opportunities, so you'll be visiting this spot frequently as you use the software more and more. Once you're inside the Deals module, your next step is to look towards the upper right corner of your screen. Here, you'll notice the plus New Deal button. Go ahead and click on that. This is where the magic begins as you create new sales deals and take one step closer to advancing them through your pipeline. Now, it's time to fill in the deal details. This part is crucial because the more information you provide, the better clarity you'll have when managing your deals. Start with the deal name, as it's essential for identifying what this particular opportunity is about quickly. Then, enter the associated account and contact. Keep in mind that if the account or contact you're planning to link this deal to do not already exist within the system, no worries at all. Zoho CRM allows you to create a new account or contact on the fly, right from this screen. This flexibility ensures you can keep moving efficiently without having to leave your current task. Continuing with the deal details, don't forget to specify the expected revenue. This helps in forecasting potential business income and assessing the value of your sales funnel. Set a closing date as well, which acts as a timeline marker to keep your sales process on track. Furthermore, you'll need to select a deal stage. This is vital because it spots exactly where your deal stands in the sales pipeline, which is instrumental for tracking progress and strategizing next steps. Once you have all these fields filled out, simply click Save. And just like that, your new deal is created. You've now successfully added a deal to your pipeline, and it will be ready for you to update and track as it moves through different stages. Finally, there's an extra tip for you. Should you need to create another deal that closely mirrors an existing one, Zoho CRM has a handy shortcut. Simply click the More or the three-dot icon on the deal you want to replicate. From there, choose Clone to swiftly create a similar deal without having to re-enter all the information from scratch. It's a huge time saver and keeps your workflow smooth and uninterrupted. And there you have it. With these steps, you're all set to efficiently manage your deals using Zoho CRM. Thank you for watching, and